No such thing as color. Actually, the reason why I say that is because we're all the race and the same. You get DNA test, I bet you some of you black or native. Shin, silip-silip sa kuha, tambay. Oo, 120 na ka. Sige, sige, salamat, salamat. J-Logs. Hi, J-Logs. Oo, wala problema, no problem. Kaya ni ka alas 10 magawas ko. Tiwasan ko tong giplansya na ako. Naulit pag ko. Giingnan ta sa iyang inahan sa unang kanang aparte li plansyahan karon niingon ang ulit awat na ako plansyahan. Okay. 121 Mingsky, Mambik. And RJ. Ano, U3, Sidhart. 2 to 8. You are now 2 to 8, Sidhart. And I won't forget RJ. Thank you, host. Thanks, host. No problem, especially when you're native and black and all the others race. Thank you for staying, guys. Thank you. To hear you when you call. Kay magluto sa ako. Tiwas nag-charge sa daan sa akong CP. Okay, sige, 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 sige. Take your time, Ma'am Vic. Salamat. Oh, it was Rams. Salamat. Thank you for coming. Salamat ha, salamat. Ma'am Vic, salamat kayo. Boss Rams, thank you. Host, mag-silent na ako. Okay, salamat po. Husky Voice Official, thank you. Nakalista ka na, ipi-play kita. What I'm trying to say is, those people do this. These people do that. That color does this. That color does that. We're all the same. Just don't be babies anymore. Get along. You're not a baby. Yeah, we're just the same. And no one is perfect. Salamat. Yes. Salamat din. Mabik. Husky Voice Official, thank you. Host, thanks means salamat, right? Yes, you Siddharth, you're right. That's Tagalog, Siddharth. Salamat. And even in my language, we use salamat in my language. Tagalog and in my language is not the same. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Let's spread love, okay? Thank you. 1, 2, 2, Mambik. Now it's cooling.